Tagging your clients is a great way to focus your marketing. It allows you to organize your clients based on who they are, what they love, how they travel. So instead of sending a marketing message out to your entire list, you can send the right message to the right people at the right time. It also helps you stay more organized with your clients. You can follow up with them more intentionally, and ultimately you're building stronger relationships with them. They're not just another name in your database, they're feeling like, you truly understand them and know them. So now I'm going to show you how I tag a client. I'm going to go to my customer list. I'm going to choose the client and go here to the general notes. Each agency will have the tags set up here that they use. For instance, it might be an interest-based tag, maybe to mark clients that are interested in photography or nature, cultural, history. Maybe it's on timing, maybe clients that just do spring break trips. Perhaps it's buying behavior, maybe luxury clients, so tagging them, or the traveler profiles, solo travelers, empty nesters, or even just their core travel behaviors, like what they like, where they like to go. Maybe it's someone that is, a big Disney buff, and so they usually go to Disney World or Disneyland. So you can tag them for that. In this case, I am going to tag Penny as a last minute traveler. She's also an empty nester, but she's also very value focused. So I'm going to tag her for all three of those and hit save. And you can also go to your customer list and sort your clients or filter them with this customer tag. Filter right up here. So I can look and see who I have as empty nesters and then get the results here. It's a great way to stay organized and also very important in smart marketing.